Good morning, student. Welcome to my online class. Today we are discuss class 9 chemistry, the structure of the atoms. Today is the second part of these chapters. So today our topic is about structure of the atoms. So the structure of the atoms in the earlier times, the John Daltons they are given about the structure of atoms. The atoms is they are told that the atom is the indivisible particles. So after this theory are rejected and many scientists are given some postulate or model of about the structure of atoms. So first time a scientist that is the J.J. Thomson, they are given a model that is known as what are Thomson model of n atoms. So today our topic is what are Thomson model of n atoms. What are the scientist name? J.J. Thomson. Okay, J.J. Thomson, a British physicist, they are given a model. Okay, this is known as what are Thomson models. And the Thomsons, they are born in Cheltenham Hills in the Manchester in 18 December 1856. Okay, they are born in what are Cheltenham Hills. Okay, in the year 1856, and he was awarded a Nobel Prize. Okay, because they are about the discovery of what are electrons, they are awarded what are Nobel Prize in physics in the year 1906. So we have started about the Thomson model. The Thomsons, they are proposed a models about the what are structure of the atoms, and this is the similar to the Christmas pudding. what are Christmas pudding? Christmas pudding क्या होता है? जैसे कि क्रिसमस में जो एक पुडिंग बनाते हैं जिसमें क्या होता है वो अरेंज होकर रहता है, जैसे कि उसका साइड में और उसका जो जैसे कि पुडिंग में जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स अरेंज होकर रहता है, ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर अरेंज इनसाइड द atoms. Okay, according to the Thomson, they are told that the dry fruits are arranged in Christmas pudding. Like this, the electrons are arranged inside the positive sphere of n atoms. Suppose it is a wholly positive sphere, and this what are this all are the electrons arranged inside the atoms, and the atoms is what are the total atoms is what are positively charged sphere. And this is also they are compared with the watermelons. Okay, watermelon what are the positive charge is a sphere over like the red edible part of watermelon. Okay, watermelon को हम जब उसको मिडिल से काट देंगे तो उसका जो सीड क्या होता है एक लाइन में क्या होता है अरेंज होकर रहता है. सो लाइक दिस द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर आल्सो अरेंज द इनसाइड द atoms. So they are compare what are one are the in the watermelon, or it is also known as watermelon model or plum pudding models. Also plum pudding, the time हम लोग खीर बनाते हैं तो उसमें ड्राई फ्रूट जो अरेंज करते हैं जैसे अरेंज होकर रहता है, लाइक दिस द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर अरेंज इनसाइड द एटम्स. ओके, सो अबाउट द postulate of atoms, Thomson atomic models is the most important question also called the postulate of Thomson atomic models. So the first postulate of Thomson atomic models postulate of Thomson atomic model. So the first postulate, an atom consists of a positively charged sphere. Okay, an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. Means total whole atoms क्या है, एक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर है और उसके अंदर में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर स्प्रेड ओवर और एम्बेडेड इन, उसके अंदर में क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट है बोल के वो बताए थे कौन, जे सॉमसन। दिस इज द फर्स्ट पोस्टुलेट एंड द सेकंड पोस्टुलेट आर व्हाट आर द नेगेटिव्स and positive charge are equal in magnitudes, that why the atoms is wholly neutral। वो क्या बताए थे, वो एक atoms is wholly neutral। why the atoms is wholly neutral? Because inside the atoms the same number of positive charge and negative charge are present, that why the atom is wholly neutral। this is the postulate of what are the Thomson atomic models। So in shortly we have to remember these two postulates। Okay, the first postulate are what are, an atom consists of positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it। Okay, this is the first postulate of Thomson model, and the second postulate, the negatives and positive charge negative and positive charge are equal in magnitudes, so an atom is electrically neutral। Okay. Now negatives and positive charge are equal in magnitudes, so an atom is electrically neutral। Okay, inside the atoms what happened, the same number of positive charge are present and the same number of negative charge are present, that why the atom is in wholly electrically what are neutral। So they are given these postulates, and after some time many scientists are given the new about theory, and after some time this Thomson model of atom are discarded because due to their some demerits or limitations, this Thomson model are further discarded। So this is known as what are limitation of Thomson models। This is also most important। Okay, question also will come, what are the limitation of Thomson atomic मॉडल। थॉमसन एटॉमिक मॉडल में क्या है, ऐसे जो ड्रॉबैक और लिमिटेशंस था, इसमें ये बाद में क्या हुआ, ये डिस्कार्डेड हो गया। सो द लिमिटेशन, limitation of Thomson model। So the first limitation of Thomson model are, this model could not explain the experimental result of other scientists like Rutherford। Okay, the Thomsons, they are not given any idea or any idea about their experimental facts like Rutherford। Rutherford क्या है, वो एक्सपेरिमेंटली बताए थे। ओके, बट थॉमसन वो एक्सपेरिमेंटली प्रूव कर नहीं पाए थे, इसलिए क्या हुआ, ये एक ड्रॉबैक हो गया थॉमसन मॉडल का। ओके, दे कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन experimentally okay, they could not explain experimentally other scientists like Rutherford। Okay, Rutherford atomic model discuss करेंगे after this one. Okay, this is also most important Rutherford atomic model. And the second limitations are what are? It could not explain the stability of an atoms. Okay, the second postulate, it could not explain the stability of an atom. ओके, ये भी एक मेन लिमिटेशन है. ओके, वो कुछ भी बताए नहीं थे एटम की स्टेबिलिटी के बारे में, इसलिए ये थ्योरी बाद में क्या हुआ, रिजेक्ट हो गया. ओके, दिस इज ऑल आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट आर Thomson atomic models. Okay, so one again sir, we are revises these models. What are in this model, what are they are compare with the water, the Christmas pudding or in watermelon. When inside the watermelon the seed are arranged like the electrons are arranged inside the positive sphere of the atoms, and they have the some postulate of this theory. The first postulate are what are the Daltons, the Thomson, or they are given about the two postulate about the theory of Thomson theory of model. The first postulate are what are an atoms consist of positively charged spheres and the electrons are embedded in it. And the second postulate are what are the negative and positive charge are equal in magnitudes, so that the atoms is in wholly electrically neutral. This is the two postulate of this theory. And the limitation are what are? They could not explain experimentally, or they could not given any idea about the experimental fact, like other scientists like Rutherford. And the second one, they are not given any idea about the stability of the atoms. Okay. So this is about what are Thomson atomic models. So next part we are discuss about what are Rutherford atomic models. Okay, so Rutherford atomic models, the most important models. One part we are not discussed already because the Rutherford models are about this model. They are the long or big models. So I hope all of you understand this theory or this model. So all of you, thank you for watching. Stay home, save life.